Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got the 4 Series back again. So if you haven't watched the part 1 of this video where I do a walk around the car and show you guys how the car looks currently before doing any mods to it, please do click on the link above and you can watch that video. It should be to the left or the right, whichever one. You just click on it and you should be able to view that video. So today we're going to be changing the mirrors to gloss black. We're going to be adding sequential signals to the actual mirrors, and if we have time we're going to add the lip spoiler, which is going to be in gloss black, and we're going to be adding side skirting or side skirts, you can say, for just the bottom. So it's not actually a side skirt, but it's just to add a little bit of profile underneath the existing side skirt, and that's also going to be in gloss black. So I want to take you guys on this journey and show you guys how we're going to do it and what we're going to do and how it's going to look once everything is done. So today we're going to be doing that, so let's dig into the video and get crack-a-lacking. So if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Andrew and this is the Alpha Customs channel, where we will be talking about things that we do on our customers' cars such as these and the modifications that we carry out, and we also talk about the things that we do on our project cars, which are 4 Series F33 and a BMW 7 Series E38. So today I'm going to show you guys what we've currently done on the car off camera. So if you saw the previous video, you would have saw that the number plate lights were really dim and you couldn't see it, and now it's nice and bright and sunny, which you hardly get in the UK. But today it's nice and sunny and we're just going to unlock the car, and you can see that the number plate lights are still visible during a sunny, nice and bright day. So during the night it will just light up the road. As well as this, we have coded the car off camera, so as you can hear, it beeps and the fog lights come on when you unlock the car, which wasn't there standard. There's a digital speedo and there's different features which have been unlocked, and you can see all the features that have been unlocked on this car on our Instagram channel or our Instagram page, and I'll leave the link for that just here and you can check that out. So today we're going to start off with the mirror caps. We're going to get these changed to black and we're going to change the signal lights too. So if you look at the lights right now, they just do a simple blink, if you can just about get it on camera, and we're going to get this changed today, and we're going to add gloss black mirrors as well. So I think this will complement the alloy wheels, and if we add the side skirting too, then it will all look nice from the side. So we're going to start off with the side, and if we have time we're going to get onto the spoiler and add the lip spoiler to the back. So before we start off with this mirror, we want to make sure that the mirror setting is right to the bottom. So all you want to do is go inside the car and there is a button, put it to the right side and then press the bottom of this button, and then you see that the mirror is just going down. This gives you access to put a trim removing tool right behind and remove the actual mirror without it breaking. I'm hoping it doesn't break when I take it off. If it breaks, then we need to get a new one. If it doesn't, then happy days and we can use the same one. So start off with that. Here we go. We're going to take this broken mirror out, and as you can see it's all cracked, and behind there's wiring for the heated mirrors, so we want to take all them out, and then we want to remove this mirror. I need to get a new one ordered now. Here is a close-up of how it looks inside. So you want to start removing these little Torx bolts, and as you can see here, these little white clips are what holds the actual mirror caps in. So you want to just get a little screwdriver, or you can maybe do it with your hand, but it's harder with your hand. So you want to just get a flathead screwdriver, put it through here, and then you can release these tabs. So I believe there's one there, one right on the top right there, and then you should be able to remove the top bit of the actual casing. So once you loosen all the tabs, you should be able to get this off. Just want to get this trim removing tool, and then there we go. It's all out, and we're going to add the new mirror caps on and change the lights. So here are the new smoke indicators that we're going to be adding on. So I believe this is for this side. So we're going to start off with this and then do exactly the same onto the other side. So let me show you guys how it looks. So this is how the mirror looks once everything is apart and with the broken mirror. And you can go hello, and that's it. And then on this side, the mirror is still clean and it's still not broken. Hopefully this one doesn't break, but if it does, then we need to change it. Going to plug this in. And before we start bolting everything back on, we want to see if it works first. So let's put the indicator on, or the hazard light. Wow! Look at that! Looks awesome. So yeah, that makes a huge difference. So let me just show you guys how it looks on the other side too. So this is the sequential lights. You can see it nice. And these are the basic standard lights that you get with BMW. You can hardly see them in daytime. These are the mirror caps that we're going to be installing. So they're like the M4 design gloss black mirror caps. And this will complement the actual light. So I just want to test fit before, and remember there is a screw here as well, so you want to make sure that you screw that in before fitting any of this back. And these are just on with clips, so just like we took out the white clips from the previous mirror cover, we're going to do the same but the reverse way. So we're going to just push it in and hopefully it clips in, and then just pull it in with the plier, and then hopefully it all clips in. So that's it, everything is in and everything is flush, but this needs a bit of a clean once everything is done. So now that the mirrors are on, as well as the signal dynamic lights, we're going to go ahead and add the side extensions. So we're going to do that on this side first in gloss black, and I'm going to unpackage it now, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. But before we do that, we want to raise the car a bit. So I've got 2 pieces of wood in the boot, and we're just going to drive the car onto that, and then hopefully we get a little bit of leverage for us to add the screws from the bottom. Here is a closer look at how it looks. Looks so much nicer. It's time to do exactly the same on the other side. So we're going to put it back onto the wood, and then we're going to crack on. here are the final results. So as you can see, the side extension is done. This is on the passenger side, as well as this. The mirrors are done. I'll put the hazard lights on so you can see the big difference. So that's that side done, and then the driver's side is also done. And the gloss black mirrors make a huge difference to the actual car. And since it's darker a bit, you can see the number plate lights much brighter at the back. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys found that video informative. So this is the final result of the side extensions done, the gloss mirror caps, as well as the signals on the actual mirrors. They're all done. And as I showed you earlier, the number plate lights look much brighter than it was before. And if you haven't seen how it looks before, click on the link above and you can see the previous video on how the car looked when it came to us. So this is it for today's video. If you're new to this channel, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment. Be part of this Alpha Customs journey. Until next time, peace.